Good morning, everyone. I'm Wanda Myrick from Dimor Group, and we're here today at Oshkosh. Super excited to be at the show. For those of you that don't know, Dimor Group manufactures WACO aircraft from the late 1920s, early 30s, and then we also manufacture the Junkers aircraft as well. So we have two models right now, a A50 with a Rotax motor for the Junkers. And then we also have this beautiful YMF WACO. And then we also manufacture the Great Lakes, which is a fully aerobatic plane with an inverted fuel system, inverted oil system. You can actually stay inverted for 3 minutes in that aircraft, and it is highly responsive.
Yes.
Coming up down the road, in a few years, we have the Heritage, which is going to be certified in Germany. We're hoping within the next 45 days. So we are really excited to bring this aircraft to you. If you look, the big difference between the A50 Junior and the A50 Heritage is obviously the Rotax motor. It's burners. It's made in Czechoslovakia.
Oh.
Another distinguishing feature that we absolutely love about our planes, and that it's period appropriate, is we have the wood step up. The interior is craftily detailed with leather. Wow. And on this aircraft, you can actually have it made to order where it's a two-seater. So when you look at it, a lot of people think it's singular, but if you see the soft curves up there, it can actually be a two-seater. So that's something. One of my favorite things are actually the wood detail on here that's just absolutely beautiful. Mm. And then we also added it to the inside on the
floorboards? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I got the upgraded floorboard on my Great Lakes.
Yeah.
I'm Rob Bundy, representing WACO Aircraft at EAA Air Adventure 2025 this week. I'm standing in front of the Junkers A50 Heritage Edition. This is the second A50 version that we're manufacturing. The first is the A50 Junior, which is on the other side of our booth. This one is a little closer to the original form in that it has a radial engine, 7-cylinder radial made by Werner Motor out of Czechoslovakia. It's 124 horsepower. In comparison to the other one across the way, that's a 100 horsepower Rotax engine. Based on customer feedback from the original A50 with the Rotax, many customers said they wanted the round engine, so our engineering team in Germany came up with a round engine option. A couple other differences between this airplane and the other one. It features more of a V windshield instead of the plexiglass bubble windshield. It's also got an analog cockpit instead of Garmin glass panel displays. A couple minor changes to the landing gear from an aesthetic standpoint. It's got wheel covers, but underneath the wheel covers are the exact same wheels and brakes. It's also got the strut fairings on the oleo struts to make it look much closer to the original form. The reality of those are just strictly for aesthetics. The airframe itself, same exact airframe, just packaged with a different power plant, different avionics, and a couple visual changes on the landing gear. Right now, this airplane is flying in Germany in a test flight program. They're expecting LSA certification as an SLSA here in the States, and they're hoping to get customer deliveries in 2027.
How you doing? My name is Matt Pottinger. I'm with the Dimor Group. We build the Great Lakes, the Junkers aircraft, and the WACO aircraft in Battle Creek, Michigan. All made in the USA. These are all new production aircraft based off the original type certificate from the 20s and 30s. And happy to show you around for a few minutes. Come along with me, I'll show you around. All right, here we have the Great Lakes. I'm going to turn this whole operation around here. I got a gentleman here who's going to introduce himself, and I'm sure he's no introduction needed, but we're going to switch a camera here, and I'm going to let him talk about how it is to fly this.
Well, this is Ron Rogers. You probably know that. I got the shirt, the channel, and it is an absolutely joy to fly. Okay, it's not a good cross-country airplane, I'll tell you, but I love flying aerobatics in it. It's not a good cross-country airplane because it is an aerobatic airplane and it's unstable. You're always flying it, which is a challenge, and that's why it's fun. But I go through a few fly-ins with it. I'm not going to go cross-country with it, but it is a great flying airplane. really economical to operate. Of course, when I do aerobatics, it's full power, so it burns a little bit more. But cruising around, I cruise at around 7 gallons an hour if I'm going to a fly-in cross country. And you pull this airplane into any airport, and you get a crowd. People come up, they want to see it, and it's absolutely beautiful. And they one thing interesting about the paint, and I forget the name of the
Exalta.
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 Exalta. That's
Yep,
it.
That's it. Exalta.
It looks wet. It always looks wet, and it just looks beautiful. The worst problem I have with this paint is fingerprints. I have to keep them off, and I'm probably going to upset somebody by putting my fingerprints there. But I mean, beautifully constructed, hand stitching. And the one nice thing about it, while my airplane was being built, I came up to the factory and I could talk to the artisans who were building the wing, and they would take the time to explain everything they were doing in great detail. I worked for Cessna and Boeing, and of course, you don't interrupt the production line there to talk to the people working. But these guys are great. They're proud to show their workmanship and what they're doing, and share the airplane they were putting together. So it is a great airplane. The performance is great, and early on, it's got 180 horsepower, fully aerobatic. 3 minutes inverted if you're that gutsy. But it just flies great. And I had an aerobatic school with a Cetaver decathlon. This thing has so much more control power. I have to work on not over controlling it because I got so much more aileron control power and rudder and elevator and everything, and it just does beautiful hammerheads. I could do hammerheads all day. I thought about doing 75 hammerheads on my 75th birthday, which is next month, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that. I might not have enough fuel. But anyway, it's a great airplane, great support from the company. I've owned it now 3 years, and just absolutely love it.
Well, thank you. I couldn't done it better myself.
Thanks.
All right. Again, thank you for the opportunity to speak about this. Anything else you want to talk about?
Do you want to talk about
The WACO line?
Yeah, why not?
Absolutely.
The whole product line.
Yeah. This is our beautiful YMF5 demonstrator. We've had this for a couple of years now, and we are selling it at the show right now. It is a beautiful paint job, as you can see. Again, the Exalta system with the Seconite system. Show you around this thing a little bit. I'll just start out with the most important thing, the luggage compartment. Holds up to 75 pounds max. Big enough you can put like an overnight bag in there and some other stuff. Oil, the covers for it if you get in the rain when you land. Great airplane, fun airplane to fly. This one is fully equipped. It is actually IFR capable. I don't think I'd ever fly it in the instrument conditions, but it's really nice for situational awareness VFR. Garmin 750, and it's got the JPI engine monitoring system as well, touchscreen, MFD, PFD. Again, 2 passengers can sit in the front, and the pilot flies it in the back solo. Again, beautiful paint. The plane has wood ribs and spars built the same way it was off the original type certificate. This one holds 70 gallons of fuel and burns about 14 gallons an hour. So you can get somewhere pretty good. The range is pretty good on it. It's powered by a Jacobs 300 horse radial engine. And it's pulled by the MT prop built in Germany. It's a fixed pitch wood prop. It's a beautiful piece of work.
Oh, I didn't know MT props. I guess it makes sense. They build wood props too, because I've got their. The one nice thing about my MT prop is being composite. It's so lightweight that when I start that engine, that thing spins up like that.
Exactly. Yeah. So yeah, they build these beautiful props here as well, and had really good luck with them. Been fantastic.
And how is the now the Junkers is a new product line
production? We are really excited. We just got the first one off of our assembly line and had it certified here as a light sport, certified light sport aircraft here in the United States. Finished production here about 2 months ago and just had it certified here about a month ago. So we're excited to be able to provide these here, built right in Battle Creek, Michigan, based off the original 1929 type certificate. There's a lot of improvements and a lot of few safety features we've added. I'll show those to you.
And you guys are building or have built a new production facility just for this aircraft.
We have a 45,000 square foot facility in Battle Creek. We'll be producing these along with the Heritage, and we have the A60, which is a side-by-side, more modern aircraft.
Oh yeah.
Going to be great. So we'll invite you guys again to come to the factory, take a look at this stuff. We'll have that probably showing, hopefully, Sun and Fun next year. We'll be able to show you the new A60 and our new product line. It will be a optional closed canopy or open canopy. Again, certified light sport now. You can take a look in here. Kind of got the classic look from the 20s and 30s, but the modern avionics. The Garmin G3X in the front and the back. And it's got the Rotax 912IS motor. Very reliable, easy to work on. A lot of service stations work on it, so you won't have to worry about maintenance issues and handles and things like that. Very simple plane, no flaps, just ailerons. Holds 13.8 gallons per side, and burns about 4 gallons an hour. So,
that is economical.
Yeah, it's economical. And
what's it cruise at?
cruise is about 85 miles.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not very fast.
Well, if you buy one of these airplanes, you're not in a hurry.
You're not
That's what I got my
anywhere. This is a
Turbo 310R for.
There you go. If you want to go somewhere fast, this is not it. But this is a great go somewhere, enjoy the afternoon, enjoy the weather, and it's exhilarating to fly. It's like flying a Cub, a low wing Cub, and light on the controls. Very easy, very simple to fly. Very nice tailwheel airplane. It's exhilarating. It's like riding a motorcycle in the air. You have a very open feeling. You don't like the biplanes that we have here in Great Lakes and the WACO. You've got the wings above you. You've got outstanding visibility around you. Even as a passenger in the front, it's flown in the back. You can full controls in the front, so if you bring somebody that is a pilot, they can fly from the front. Brakes, throttle, everything is in front as well. But solo, you do fly it from the back.
Is it aerobatic?
It is not aerobatic. Okay. It's just day VFR only.
Okay.
So, yep. Show you the engine here real quick. Got the MT composite, round adjustable prop. Again, we were really happy with the MT props. They did a great job for us. Behringer brakes and wheels. Gives you that classic look, but we've got the modern brake system as well.
Did the original one even have brakes? Did it tail skid sort of thing?
It had tail skid, I believe.
Yeah.
Don't hold me on that, but I believe they originally had tail skid. We'll come back.
Yeah, usually the airplanes that had tail skid didn't have brakes because you kind of didn't need them.
Again, that corrugated aluminum classic look. It's just very, very cool. And the structure, the corrugation gives you some extra structure. It allows you to use less ribs, which gives you a lighter weight aircraft. With the same scope.
And I was told an interesting kind of fact. I was talking to one of the guys, I forget who. Oh, is this a camera mount?
Yep, that's a camera mount. We
do
a lot of go work with it. So we get some pretty cool angles.
I bet, yeah. And he was saying that in the States, we think of the classic airplane as the biplane. But in Europe, this was more the classic airplane, which is interesting differentiation, I think.
It is, it is. The Junkers is kind of like the tri-motor Ford here in the United States.
Yes. I mean, that's what it...
basically the tri-motor Ford of Europe.
That's what it looks
famous,
like.
Yeah, and it's a very famous plane, very famous company back in the day. Again, you got the tail wheel there. It is a full swivel tail wheel. It is not a steerable tail wheel, but it is self-centered by the spring system.
Oh, the spring system,
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that would all... Okay, I see it's not steerable. Yeah, it faked me out with the springs.
So you use the differential braking to land. Really doesn't need much brakes on landing. I've found the best way to land this plane is nice wheel landing. Gives you the forward visibility that you need. And then it comes down, you got great rudder authority all the way down to the ground. And once it lands on the ground, you just use differential braking if you need it. But basically, use the rudder pedals until you need the brakes, and just light braking is all that's required to move it around and taxi it around. I've flown this up to about 15 knots. That was pretty sporty as a crosswind. It is manageable. So, well, I appreciate your time here today. And
I appreciate yours, Matt.
Thank you for taking a look at our product line. We're excited. It's been a great show so far.
Great, a lot of crowds, a lot of interest, a lot of people looking.
All right,
but you didn't have one on floats this time.
I know we didn't.
Every year,
though. Last year, and we We do miss it. But,
Yeah, the YMF the YMF on floats is an impressive looking machine, and I guess they actually sold quite a few of those.
we did. We've
Yeah.
sold quite a few. We do get
Interesting.
requests. We've got a few requests in right now to build those again. So we may be looking at possibly doing it.
So which is the best seller right now, the YMF or the Junkers?
Right now, I think this is probably going to be the hotter sell right now. We've actually got one sold and being delivered next week, and we've got probably a couple of people that are coming to do demo rides shortly. We'll probably make a purchase on these. So,
Okay.
But right now, these two are neck and neck for the winners of the show for in regards to sales.
And what's the price point on
This one here is $229,000 as equipped with the Garmin G3X in the front and the back and the Rotax engine. This one here, our demonstrator, is $640,000 as it sits right now. Again, it's beautiful aircraft, so you won't be disappointed.
in the Great Lakes now? Is it 500,000?
Brand new is $490,000, and
Okay.
that one there is our demonstrator. It's only got 60 hours on it, and that one is $390,000. And it's been meticulously maintained.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
Fantastic bargain on that one. If you're looking for a Great Lakes, that would be the one to get right now, available now.
And the Junkers?
The Junkers Heritage is going to be $299,000. Again, won't be certified for a couple more years here in the United States.
Oh, that long?
Yeah, that long.
You gotta love certification process, don't you?
It is. But the exciting thing is right now they're flying it in Germany. I've seen videos of flying it. Sounds amazing, looks amazing. And they are hoping to have that certified in Europe in about 45 days.
All right.
Right. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Matt. I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
All right.